Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we have a show coming up. We are co-hosting the show with our friends over at Audio Solutions. So I sponsor a lot of shows. I give prize money and donations and give prizes to a lot of shows. I support whoever I can, but I don't go to any of these shows because we're just way too busy at the shop. My friend Wayne, I made him a promise that I would come to the shop and I would help him promote his brand new beautiful shop. And I thought of no better way to do it than to have a motorcycle audio competition / bike show. It's going to be big. We're going to be giving out $5,000 in cash prizes for the audio competition. We're doing SOS rules, so there's going to be featherweight, lightweight, welterweight, middleweight, and heavyweight. We don't know how the cash breakdown is going to go yet. It will decide on the day of the show depending on how many bikes show up per class. But for the top bikes, it's going to be between $1,000 and $2,000 cash guaranteed. We're going to give away a trophy for the best overall non-audio bike, which is probably going to be crowd judged. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a big event. We're actually flying in. We're flying in. Rich is taking care of transporting all the NVS audio bikes. We're going to be unveiling the NVS Audio Indian Chieftain that was built in collaboration with Davidson Audio. They're actually putting the bike together for me. There's going to be free tuning Friday and Saturday. So all day Friday, all day Saturday. I'm going to be doing free tunes, so it doesn't matter where you had your bike done. If you're having issues with your audio, if you just want us to look over your tune, we're going to have our RT days and our laptops there. Me and Brandon Davidson from Davidson Audio will be doing free tunes on Friday and Saturday. Doesn't matter what kind of bike, it can be Indian. As long as it's got a DSP on it, we're going to help you with the tune for free. We're going to do the best that we can to accommodate as many people as possible. I'm going to be having a class on Friday. It's going to be late Friday afternoon. The show is on April 6th, so we literally have 4 weeks before the show. As we get close to the show, we'll iron out the details of the class, but I'm going to do a class on wiring, proper wiring for these motorcycle audio, and a class on how to do basic tunes. So anybody who wants to learn, the class is completely free. We're going to be using his beautiful shop. So we're going to be using Wayne's beautiful brand new shop. He's got plenty of room from us, plenty of tables. There's going to be a TV hooked up to my iPad or my laptop, so we can do a video presentation. We're going to do a live tune. We're going to teach you phasing. We're going to go over as much stuff as we possibly can. We might actually, depending on how it goes, we might actually do 2 classes on Friday, one earlier and one later for when people get out of work. But me and Wayne have to figure that out. I know I'm flying in on Thursday, so I will be there Thursday afternoon, Friday all day, Saturday all day, and then I'm flying back out on Sunday. Rich is bringing his bike. Dave Wonderful is bringing his bike. Davidson Audio is bringing all their Indians. So you're going to have a lot of our builds to listen to. I know some of my clients are coming down. Like I said before, we sponsor a lot of events, but we don't go because we're just crazy busy. Even we're literally too busy to do this, but I promised Wayne we would, so I have to do this. I just took a head count this morning between the 2 shops. We have 48 bikes right now, so it's a ton of work. My new CVO will be there. So if you want to hear my 23 CVO, it's a new body style CVO. It's fully done. It's got 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, sealed and ported. It's got 6-inch coax in the lids. It's got 6-inch coax in the fairing. All the amplifiers, we managed to fit them in the fairing. It's one of the only bikes in the entire United States that's done with complete audio and everything in the fairing. The bike sounds really good. You come check it out. The bike looks completely stock. You can't tell we touched it. So if you want to listen to CVO, it's going to be there. My Featherweight Street Glide is going to be there. That bike's got that one's got the Dirty Bird stretch bags. Sealed and ported. That one's a full Cicada build, Cicada 10s, Cicada 8s in the Dirty Bird lower, Cicada 6.5s. Only 2 amps in the fairing. Bike sounds really, really good considering it doesn't have the torque pack. The bike's low power, but it sounds really good. My Indian Featherweight that we built in collaboration with Davidson Audio will be there. 10s in the bags, sealed and ported. That one's actually got NVS Audio 10s in the saddlebags, same as my CVO. We're not sure what we're running in the fairing and the lowers yet. So it's going to be, you could bring any bike down. You could either compete in the audio show and the audio competition or just show off your bike. It's completely free to the public. It's $20 to register for the show. Spectators, 100% free. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. You can email us, nvsaudio@gmail.com. You can give us a call at the shop, 908-527-6772. Or you can email audiosolutions49@gmail.com. Wayne and his team will get back to you. Or you can call Audio Solutions at 601-891-4222. Registration for the show starts at 10 a.m. We are going to start judging promptly at 12 p.m. So we're going to start competing at 12 p.m. because it's going to be a lot of bikes. I expect a lot of bikes to show up. So anybody that's been to these motorcycle audio shows knows that if you don't start right away, it can drag on 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. and want to get out of there while it's still light out. I want everybody to have a good time. I want everybody's bike to get judged. I want everybody to come out and have a good time. Anybody that hasn't gotten a chance to come up to the shop and hang out and you're mid to lower East Coast, this is your chance. So to come out and hang out with us. We will look over your bike, give you advice, help you with your setup, help you with your tune, draw out. We're not trying to sell anything to anybody. We just want to hang out with everybody, show off Wayne's new store. Everything we're going to do is going to be for free. We got Cicada stepped up with a bunch of giveaways. Doobie from Doob's Customs is giving away the most popular Doobie bass knobs, so he's giving away 2. So if you have a 14 through 23 Street Glide, Road Glide, and you have SOUN digital amps running the bass, this is perfect for you guys. So it's a $300 knob that he'll be giving away for free as one of the prizes that we give out at the show. It's probably gonna be a raffle or something like that. Come hang out with us. If you want to talk, if you just want to hang out, if you want to compete, if you need advice on your build, I would love to meet you. I would love to talk to as many people as possible. I'm gonna post once or twice a week as we get closer to the event, and as we get all the details ironed out, I'll make more posts and I'll put it up on my Facebook page, my YouTube, my Instagram. So if you guys have any questions, reach out. If you have any suggestions, reach out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to this. It's gonna be like a mini vacation. I'm taking my wife and my daughter so we can all hang out with Wayne and his family and support him in his brand new shop. Let's make this a great event. I want to see as many of you there as possible. Even if you don't come down to compete, it would be great to hang out and show off your bike. I'd really like to see all of your builds. So thank you. Have a good night.